order to do the gravy, just take the cooked onions that you have inside the turkey and cook lemons and throw it into that nice bodied liquid. All this from the oven, from the turkey, I mean, just like that. All this goodness. Add a little bit of rosemary and thyme and tomato to thicken the sauce. Chicken stock for taste. Put all these to boil for about 30 minutes. If you did not watch our other video on how to roast a turkey, this was when we got the turkey liquid butter, roasted onion, and lemon. Okay, now that this has been boiled for at least 20 minutes, start with a mashed potato, with a potato masher, mashing all of the tomatoes, onions together there, lemon, everything. You just want to thicken the sauce the most you can, because at the end, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna strain all this out, and you're gonna keep the liquid. You're gonna keep that condensed liquid for your gravy. If you want, also you can use an immersion blender to blend all this goodness in together, just like that. You're gonna mix all of these flavors together, combining into one. It's gonna be so delicious. Just let the gravy simmer for about 30 minutes or after it becomes thick. Then, after the gravy has been thickened, it is time to take it off the heat and strain all the gravy into a bowl. After you have strained the gravy, transfer it to a gravy bowl and add a piece of butter to give it more flavor. This natural and delicious onion lemony gravy will give your turkey a touch of savory and finesse.